Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Tech Showdown. My name is Kevin, this is my co-host Teddy, and today I'm talking about my personal rig. And I have upgraded the CPU, the motherboard, and the memory. So I asked you guys on Twitter, what CPU do you think I've upgraded to? And you guys are smart because you got it dead right. You guys said the AMD Threadripper 1950X, and that's exactly what I have upgraded to, so really smart guys. So what is my reasoning for upgrading to the 1950X, especially since I haven't even tested it yet? So that's quite the leap of faith, but of course I've watched everybody else's reviews out there on YouTube and on other places as well. So my reasoning is that, first of all, I like to stay on the like cutting edge of tech, as we all do, as all tech YouTubers do. I mean, we test this stuff out, so we want to run the newest stuff we can. The second is that I really needed to upgrade off X99 to X399. X99 I was still having a few issues with it. And the third one is that I think it will help me with my rendering times and just with productivity stuff in general, going from an 8-core 6900K to a 16-core CPU. So that's my reasoning, and the Threadripper just seemed like the best fit for me as of right now compared to the Intel chips, which I've already tested. The 7900X, the 7820X. I was deciding out of the 7900X or the 1950X, but I just decided to go for this one because it just seemed to me like the better value CPU for the price point it's coming in at. So with all that being said, you know, the Threadripper is nice, but you got to pair it with a good motherboard as well. So this one isn't set in stone. I may still change motherboards, but as of right now, I'm using the X399 MSI Gaming Pro Carbon. Now, some of you might find that funny because the previous motherboard I was running was the X99 Gaming Pro Carbon. So I've sticked within the same model, obviously just gone from X99 to X399. So that's where I've gone, but this may just be temporary and I may still change to a different motherboard. I'll just see how this one works out for me. I've also changed drives, so I was running the Intel 750 series before, and now I have switched over to the Samsung 960 EVO M.2. So this is a 500 gig model here. My reasoning for that is that Steve over at Hardware Unbox had gone on about how good these SSDs are, and so I thought this one would be a nice one to upgrade to as well. So I decided I may as well just switch to this 960 EVO while I'm at it. So yeah, that's what my personal rig update is for right now. I have to give a huge thank you to playtech.co.nz. If you guys are not aware, they are my biggest supporter. It's just a great business. If you're in New Zealand or Australia, I highly recommend checking out their store. They got so much great tech. They sell many like Ducky keyboards and things like that. So if you're in the market for a new keyboard, definitely head over. And they have supported my channel since I had 300 subscribers all the way till now, and I have to thank them for providing me with all this new tech to upgrade my personal rig. So a huge thank you to Playtech for supporting me, and I just can't thank you guys enough for having so much faith in me and supporting the channel when it was small up until the size it is now. And I thank you guys as well for watching this video. So let me know what you think. What do you think of this personal rig update? Would you have done the same thing as me, or would you gone Intel? You know, this is my first AMD rig that I've ever actually had as my personal rig. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.